Hey, Rod Gray here in Fort Riley, Kansas. Sheri and I are out here for Pellet Envy with Pork Barrel BBQ, Brett and Heath. I want to thank Ole Hickory for donating us this pit, which allows us to cook a whole bunch of brisket from Creekstone Farms and a bunch of St. Louis cut ribs from KCBS. They donated both those items along with Reeser's Fine Foods, who donated some great sides and beans for us to feed the troops this evening at the USO Center. Having a great time. We were able to raise enough money to donate about $6,000 total to build a great grilling patio out back on the USO Center. And in addition to that, the icing on the cake, Oklahoma Joe's, the Kansas City Barbecue Store, and Horizon Smokers donated us a Horizon Classic for us to put back there on that new patio so the troops and their families can have great time smoking and grilling. Glad to be here. It's an honor to serve those who serve our country. Thanks to all the folks who contributed to this, and we're going to have a great time.